this episode of Spacecraft Guide, we're going to go over how to get the electronic ebook from the Lemont Library. So it's very simple to do. We have their Galaxy tablet, and we go to their homepage, and you click on Kindle, as you see here, and that will take us to the Kindle books. Now, when you open up the Kindle, and it comes to the stories, you're going to see this Kindle Search. So we know it's there, but we're going to do it so you know how to get to it. In Kindle, you're going to type in Apollo 11 and guide. As you can see, these are the results that came up, and those are our books. So let's take a look at the first book. Now, as you can see, I clicked on the Apollo 11 guide command module, and it took me to where you were in the book, but you want to where I was last reading in the book, but you want to start from the beginning. So you click, and you see up here they have this like hamburger with dots on the side. You click on that. That is the table of contents. So you can see they have the introduction, tells you about how to use it. You can go back and select anything else. We want to do the electrical power system. See, they all have the introduction. They'll have block diagrams that will be a little bit lower, or schematics, which will be in a little bit lower text, along with the specific topics which are in the book. So in the table of contents, I'm going to look at the reaction control system, and I'm going to pick up a schematic, the CSM RCS auto control schematic. And when I click on it, it takes me to the schematic, and you can read all about it in here. It's all the diagrams. Now, the other thing I wanted to say about this is this book is the actual document that Buzz Aldrin and Neil Armstrong, who was the first person to walk on the moon, used. It's just in an electronic format, so it's easier to get to. So if you're like reading in the books and you're looking for certain things, you can see that they're highlighted. So if you want to go to this diagram here, you just click on it, and it'll take you automatically to where it is. So what makes this ebook better than the actual documents that they had before? As you can see, this is the operations manual that the book is based off of, and you can actually find the systems for free, but when you click on them, it takes you to the document. None of this is hyperlinked, and getting back is kind of difficult. So the whole idea with the ebook was to take the document from 1969 and update it. So it's sort of a 2.0 version of the manual that Neil Armstrong used to land on the moon. And I just want to thank the Lemont Library for purchasing this book, so everyone in Lemont can actually get my book and use it on this Galaxy 7 device. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And if you really want to support me, please visit my Patreon page, which the link is down below.